Hi again from Japan Drink Lab. So we have a little help today from Gigi. He's very curious of the oat milk. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how to make a green tea latte. Green tea is shade grown, so it's often a little bitter. We like to use, the brand is Matcha N. That's what we use at our restaurant for different cooking and also for when we make the matcha lattes. It's a cooking to about universal grade. Universal grade is still good to drink, especially with latte when you're gonna mix it with something. If you want more of a ceremonial grade, I say that more for when it's more of a pure like green tea, iced tea, or a green tea drink. We're gonna start with 1 1/4 cup of oat milk, or about 310 grams. Okay. So if you have a frother or something, that works perfectly. We're just gonna do it on the stove today. So if you can add that to the pan. And then about 1 tablespoon of green tea.
This is 1 1/2 tablespoons of honey.
We have the green tea off of the stove, and we're gonna give it a good blend, quick. Get a little frothy in the blender. So this is caffeine, so Yana's only gonna have a little bit. Came out nice and frothy though. Definitely smells good.
That's good.
Ooh, that's good. It's definitely different with the oats. Yeah, the oat milk is really nice and is really frothy. Now there is debate about if you take the regular matcha and if you add latte to it, it does affect the amount of the minerals and catechin and that kind of stuff that gets absorbed by the body. Some people said it's more cow's milk. Now some researchers are saying any kind of protein, plant protein or not, sort of blocks a little bit of all of the goodness getting in there. Regardless of that, it's a super healthy drink and it really tastes good. Yeah, so we're sticking with it.
I like this one too.
Yeah, with the natural honey in it is really good. Yeah, especially again if you want to try something a little bit different. We're hooked on the buckwheat honey right now as well. Thanks for joining another episode of Japan Drink Lab, and we will see you soon. And don't forget, please subscribe and like below. Thanks for joining another episode of
Episode.
What?